Well, hi guys. Thank you so much for coming back. It's really good to see you. I hope you don't mind. We're going to do some more gardening today. These are actually the pea plants that I planted with you the last time you were here. They've certainly grown a lot. A little too much. Really should have replanted them already, but I think maybe I was waiting for you to come and help me. We can do it together now. Pea plants are a little special. We need to have certain things so that they can grow. So we're going to go ahead and plant them in this big, long trough. And then we're going to give them something that they can climb on so that all the little vines can wrap up here. I really should have been taking better care of these guys. Plants are funny like that. They're kind of like people. Some plants are just fine being left all by themselves. Like this guy. He's a happy little clam no matter what. A little water, a little sun, they'll just grow big and healthy. Other plants need special care. They need us to check in on them more often. Sometimes you have people in your life that you need to check in on every once in a while. Say hi, see how they're doing. Just spend a little time. So, let's get our pea plants replanted before they sit for much longer. Mr. Finley, are you going to help? Mr. Finley would like to help us garden. I think he'd be a great assistant. Mwah. All right, Finley. Here. You gonna help me with the dirt, Finley? Okay, so we're gonna start by laying down some soil in the bottom. And you can do this with a shovel. Or, because we need so much, I'm just gonna very carefully pour it in. You want to make sure that they have plenty of soil, because that's where they're going to get all the vitamins and nutrients they need to grow big and strong. Just like last time, I'm wearing clothes that I don't mind if they get a little dirt. There we go. There's a little bit of dirt left in the bag, but I'm going to save that for when we're closer to the end. This is the tricky part. Because pea plants are vines, they've all kind of woven together, so I have to detangle them. They like to tie themselves up inside each other. It helps them give something to lean on as they grow. I've detangled one of the plants, so now what I'm going to do is just pop it out of the little egg tray. See all these roots in the bottom? These are what help the plant grow big and strong. Make a little hole right here. Whoops. Come on, little pea plant. You'll be okay. We have to be very careful when separating them so that we don't hurt them. Might be a little hard in some places. There we go. Now these ones can just pop right out. Just like before, make a little hole, and in they go. All right. Mr. Finley's gonna help me with the rest of these. Aren't you, Finley? I really like gardening. It's a chance for me to take some time and do something that I enjoy. And if you're just a little bit patient, it's just amazing what you can grow. beautiful flowers, fresh foods, all your favorite fruits. Gardening is a way to reconnect with yourself and with the world around you. Everything that you're worried about just seems so much less important when you're gardening. That big test that you're stressed about, that argument you had with your sister. Once you get to spend a little time in the garden taking care of your plants, all those other things don't seem to matter as much. Even though I love gardening, it's something that I don't get to enjoy very often. It seems like the world is always so busy that it's really hard to take the time for yourself. Well, all of our pea plants are planted, but now we have to give them something to grow on. All right, I'm gonna stick this in. I need to make sure that it's not gonna move, because the pea plants are gonna rely on this for support. They need it to help them grow. If this thing's wobbly, they're gonna have a really hard time. Okay, so Mr. Finley, you sitting on my bag of dirt. I need that. Can I have the dirt back, Mr. Finley? Why, thank you so much. I just need to add a little more on top so that the plants have somewhere to grow. Pack it in so that this thing stands tall, and look, I'm pushing away from the plants so I don't accidentally hurt them. Now, it might take a little bit of time for these guys to grow on their new home. So I'm going to help them by looping them around some of these swirls. The swirls will help give them a place to grow, where they can latch on once they get used to it. This is very fiddly and very delicate, but you can't rush it. Plants like to do things in their own time. They don't really care if you're busy or get caught up in work. They still need you to stop by, see how they're doing, and take care of them. Here we go. Just like we have to do with our friends. Sometimes it's important to just stop by, have a little chat, and see how everyone's doing. Especially now when we can't see each other in person. It's really important to take that time for each other. Okay. There we go. Now, we need to give these guys just a little bit of water. I don't want to give them too much all at once, or else they might not have a good time. So I'm going to give them a little right now, and then let them have a drink, and then I'll give them a little more. Our plants. I'm so glad you guys could stop by to help me with this. I think they're going to grow up to be really happy and healthy. They just need a little bit of time and a little bit of care. I'm going to go find the perfect spot for these to grow. was so great to see you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Be good. Oh, come on. Pretty please. Finley. I need that dirt, baby. Can't I please have my baggie back? Pretty please. Pretty please. I'll rub your belly. Upsy baby. No, that's mine.